Hello, this is James again from Denmark. Today we'll just see the two laser cleaning machines, and we are just delivered to our customers just two laser cleaning machine to our customer in USA. And these two, I just want to introduce this new kind of laser cleaning head. This is Qilin laser cleaning head. It has 2D patterns, so it can have circle and spiraling modes. So you can see it's very small and it's very light and easy to operation. You can see. Okay, so this is the first one, 2D laser cleaning head. Okay, and this one here, the last one. This is another one, 2D laser cleaning head. It's just ZBtech, that's a brand, and it also has 2D laser cleaning head, and it has, you can see, and it's very airtight. So the most important thing is the maximum laser cleaning width is up to 300 millimeters. So if you want to just improve your efficiency, you can just use this one. So this is the maximum cleaning width is very big, so and the price also is a little higher. So you can see the design is very beautiful. Okay, now we'll just test these machines. Okay, so now our engineer will just test these two laser cleaning head and show you the 2D cleaning pattern. Okay.
So first, let's try the first one, the Qilin 2D cleaning head on the rusted plate. See the cleaning effect. So first, this is the line pattern. It's a straight line like the normal continuous laser cleaning machine. The second one is a circle pattern. The size of circle can be adjusted. It can up to 150 millimeters diameter. The third one is a Snow-Flake pattern. The fourth one is rotating darts. The size of this pattern can also be larger, like 150 millimeters wide. The fifth pattern is ox horn. So you can say it's like rotating horn. Now let's see the touch screen, the clean patterns. You can see the line, circle, snowflake, ox horn. Yes. And as you can see, the clean width can be up to 150 millimeters. Now let's see the second cleaning head. For this head, there are totally 4 patterns: the line, wave, solid circle, and solid rectangle. Now let's see the effect. First, this is the line pattern. Second, this is the 2D wave pattern. The third one is solid circle. Yes, the wave can move automatically to cover the area in a circle. The first one is solid rectangle, so the light will just move automatically to cover an area of a rectangle. As you can see, the light is moving automatically without moving the hands. And on the touch screen, the scanning size, the length, and scanning width can be adjusted here. Now let's review the patterns of the two cleaning heads. Thank you for your time. If you are interested, please contact us.